Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for creative garden ideas, interior greenery, and stylish outdoor living inspiration. Before we begin, we kindly ask for your support to help our channel grow by subscribing, leaving a comment, clicking the like button, and sharing this video with your outdoor design-loving friends and family. If you are looking to elevate your culinary experience and turn your backyard into a paradise for entertaining, you have come to the right place. Today, we are exploring the world of outdoor kitchen garden design, focusing on layout ideas, material combinations, and planting strategies that bring functional cooking setups right into lush garden landscapes. Blending high-end outdoor appliances with natural greenery creates a seamless transition between functional prep space and a relaxing garden retreat. Stay tuned as we share expert design tips and count down our top 10 outdoor kitchen garden design ideas to inspire your backyard makeover. Outdoor kitchen garden design refers to the intentional integration of outdoor cooking facilities, such as built-in grills, pizza ovens, sinks, and prep counters, directly into a landscape garden setting. It combines durable hardscaping materials with surrounding herbs, edible plants, shrubs, and ornamental foliage to create a functional yet serene culinary zone in your yard. Incorporating a kitchen garden into your outdoor space offers incredible benefits for entertaining and daily living. Cooking outdoors keeps heat and lingering smells outside while allowing you to host guests comfortably without feeling isolated in an indoor kitchen. Furthermore, positioning your cooking area right next to garden beds filled with fresh herbs, vegetables, and fruit plants provides instant access to homegrown ingredients, elevating your daily cooking while enhancing backyard property value. To decorate your outdoor kitchen garden design to look beautiful, balance sleek appliances with natural wood tones, stone masonry, and lush foliage. Use stone veneer, timber pergolas, and tiled prep counters to complement surrounding garden beds, potted plants, and manicured lawns. Adding overhead string lights, integrated under-counter LED strips, and cozy dining seating helps establish a warm, resort-style atmosphere that glows effortlessly from day to night. The best plants for an outdoor kitchen garden design are aromatic culinary herbs and low-maintenance ornamental greenery that thrive near high-traffic dining zones. Culinary staples like rosemary, basil, thyme, mint, and sage are ideal for planting in nearby raised planters or pots for easy harvesting. Complementing these with structural plants like boxwood hedges, potted olive trees, Japanese maples, and trailing ivy adds rich texture and privacy around your outdoor cooking hub. Designing an outdoor kitchen garden is one of the most effective ways to make your backyard feel luxurious, practical, and deeply connected to nature. By carefully planning your cooking layout and framing it with lush garden elements, you can craft a stunning culinary sanctuary tailored to your lifestyle. Let's dive into our top 10 outdoor kitchen garden design ideas to spark your next home project. One, modern covered kitchen bay with pizza oven and green lawn. Featuring a sleek covered pavilion equipped with a built-in grill and dome pizza oven, nestled neatly between a pristine lawn and dark wood privacy fencing. 2. Shaded courtyard cooking space with Japanese maple and ferns. A cozy brick-walled patio setup featuring a black grill station shaded by a delicate Japanese maple canopy, lush ferns, and a dark metal outdoor dining set. 3. Poolside stone kitchen island with water and fire features. Built with stacked stone veneer, this luxury stainless steel grill station sits right along a sparkling swimming pool equipped with glowing fire bowls and lush backdrop greenery. 4. Pergola-covered brick kitchen with outdoor fireplace and bench. A white brick cooking station paired with a wood-fired fireplace under a dark timber pergola, surrounded by smooth sandstone paving, built-in seating, and potted ferns. 5. Terracotta tiled bar with brick pizza oven and olive trees. Designed with a striking tiled bar counter and a whitewashed brick pizza oven, surrounded by subtle potted olive trees and manicured boxwood hedges. 6. Black timber kitchen with built-in herb planters and wood storage. A contemporary black wooden outdoor kitchen featuring integrated raised planters filled with fresh herbs, stacked firewood storage, and rustic wooden cube seating. 7. Modern charcoal kitchen counter with clipped topiary globes. Sleek gray cabinetry with a stainless grille anchored by formal stone planters, neatly pruned spherical boxwood bushes, and a warm wooden dining table set. 8. Covered stone terrace kitchen with TV lounge and hydrangeas. An upscale covered patio kitchen featuring warm stone walls, a mounted television, a bar setup, and colorful potted flowers overlooking lush hydrangeas and evergreen hedges. 9. Minimalist mountain view counter with lawn border. A modern dark stone kitchen island set on a vast open terrace with a manicured green lawn, offering uninterrupted panoramic views of a dramatic mountain range. 10. Italian villa-style island with retractable canopy and pool. A grand stainless steel island setup under a beige fabric retractable canopy, framed by potted greenery, stone paving, and a tranquil swimming pool background. With these 10 inspiring outdoor kitchen garden design ideas, you can easily reimagine your backyard into an elegant, functional culinary sanctuary. Whether you prefer rustic brick pizza ovens, sleek black timber layouts, or luxurious poolside grill stations, combining cooking convenience with garden beauty enhances every outdoor meal. Choose your favorite concept, assess your space, and begin crafting your dream outdoor kitchen today. Creating a breathtaking outdoor kitchen garden is all about finding harmony between durable hardscaping, modern convenience, and rich organic textures. By utilizing smart kitchen layouts, durable counter materials, and fresh herb plantings, you transform your yard into a masterfully designed extension of your home. Start mapping out your layout today and enjoy the incredible lifestyle of outdoor dining. If these outdoor kitchen garden ideas inspired your next home makeover, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for weekly landscape inspiration and home decor trends. Drop a comment below to share which kitchen setup was your favorite or tell us about your dream backyard design. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our new uploads, and we will see you in the next video.